A couple of formatting features which are quite handy with forms are applying themes and applying conditional formatting. With this form campaign open, I'm going to switch to its design view. If I want to apply a theme, I'll basically go for the Themes button here on the far left of the Design tab. And as I roll over various themes, I can see the font changing. So I might just settle for Integral. The other thing is conditional formatting, which I think is absolutely fantastic. Conditional formatting will draw the user's attention to certain fields when they reach certain thresholds. For example, let's click on the fundraising target field and I want to apply conditional format. So what we have on the Design Tools Format tab is we have the option to apply conditional formatting. So I'm going to click the button Conditional Formatting. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply a new rule. So I'll click the button New Rule. And what I want to do here is click the Between drop down and change this to greater than. If the field value is greater than, say, 40,000, then I want it to format it a certain way. I'd like a red font. I'd like bold. And see the preview's given me an example. And I'd like the background colour to be a bright yellow. So if a value in this field exceeds 40,000, it'll have a yellow background, bold and red. So I'll go OK. Now I want to hit the New Rule button again because you can overlay many rules on the one field. So this time in this new rule I'm going to change Between to Equal to. If the value is equal to 40,000, then I want it to have a green font and I want it to have bold, and as far as the background goes, I'll have a yellow background. And OK. I want to add another new rule and change Between to less than, put 40,000 in the next box, and change the font colour to blue and have a yellow background and bold and OK. Now when I click OK and I go to view my form, Home, View Form, any value that is greater than 40,000 will be red and yellow, any value equal to 40,000 will be green and yellow, and anything less than 40,000, as is the case here, will be blue and yellow. And I can move between my records. Bang, that one's greater than 40,000, that one's less than, and that one's greater than. Also, as you change values, so if we suddenly reached a target of 41,000, it'll automatically go red. So conditional formatting is great when you want suddenly the formatting of a particular field to change because the value in that field has changed, and it grabs people's attention straight away. I'm going to save my form and I'll close my form.